Hey folks, how are you? In today's video we're gonna learn the difference between sell and sale. Sell is a verb and the meaning for it is giving something in exchange for money. It's the opposite of buy, and the past and past participle for sell is sold. It's very common to see phrasal verbs with sell, and I brought two of them here, reminding you that a phrasal verb is a verb plus a particle, usually preposition. And the first example is sell off. Sell off means when you want to get rid of something, okay? You sell them off. For example, I don't want my car anymore. I sold it off, okay? So got rid of it. Usually very fast, okay? Another phrasal verb here is sell out. Quite common to see sold out. And the meaning for it is you want to go to a concert, for example, next month. And you go to the ticket office and say, oh, I want 2 tickets. I'd like 2 tickets, please. And they say, I'm sorry, you can't have anyone because we sold all of them. They are sold out, okay? So there's none left, okay? So this means sold out. Sometimes we use it for people. When you say someone is sold out, it bears a very negative meaning, okay? You mean they betrayed you, so they are traitors, okay? So instead of working for you or represent you, they are doing other way around because they got some money or advantage for doing this, right? Moving to sale. Sale is a noun and we can relate it to sell. For example, I am selling my house, so my house is for sale. When something is for sale is because someone is selling it, okay? And usually you give money to the owner and get the thing in exchange, okay? So because it was for sale. Another example with sale here is on sale. It has 2 meanings here, okay? So we can say the new iPhone is going on sale from tomorrow, because it will be released to the public. But most common here is see on sale when we are talking about big chains or big stores, like they are on sale. They are reducing their price to change their lines usually, okay? So they say, oh yeah, from tomorrow, all our items will be on sale, like 20% off, 30% off, 40% off, nearly the half price. So because it's on sale or they are on sale, okay? Don't get confused because some Latin language speakers, they say promotion, okay? Oh yeah, that shop is on promotion, not promotion, okay? On sale, right? Promotion has another meaning. Guys, I hope you have learned stuff and thanks for watching this video. And if you can hit the like button, you help other people to find this content. And if you have any suggestions or questions, just drop below the video here, okay? And until next time, see you.